So my first trip down to the coast this year, we hit a really big shark that went running like crazy, and he actually broke the clicker inside my reel. So today I'm going to see if I can't make a repair on it and then do preventative maintenance on the other one. So this is the good one with the plastic nubs and a single screw to keep this piece from moving so your clicker will have some spring action. This is one that broke at the coast that I stuck some copper nails in, and I need to make repairs to this. What I'm going to do is take these nails out and see if I can't get some other screws in there to hold it. Alright, so that one's repaired. Just use some short screws. Now I'm going to tear the other one apart and fix that. Take that screw out and just lift that piece right off. I'm going to take a wood chisel, see if I can't take those nubs off with it. Okay, there's one. And two. I need to get positioned to re-drill those holes proper. So I'm going to spread that around the clicker on the bottom, and then I can just push it up where I need it. If you notice this is still crooked, you want to get that centered up when you drill those holes. Wrap the piece of tape around here for a depth gauge. You adjust it however you want. And that way I make sure it's deep enough without going through the outside of the casing. Got me some screws from the hardware store, and these are a little bit long, so I'm going to clip them in half. Remember, there's just a plastic post before, so this short little screw will be just fine. Just trying to hold that straight to keep it in the center down there. I think those screws will last a lot better than those little plastic pins did from the factory setup. This one's seen a bit of use and missing some grease, so I'm going to get some real grease down in there. Help protect those bearings from that salt water. And on the clicker some too. There's the housing and all the pieces. I want to start with this piece right here because there's a tab that's going to go into the reel. I like mine to aim out. You see there's a little slot there in the reel. That's going to be the first thing. You got to make sure that goes in. You won't be able to get anything back together. Then the very next screw I like to do is this one on the corner. Don't tighten it all the way. Now this one's misaligned back in here. So that's the next one I got to do. I got to pivot this around a bit, and it's going to put pressure up here. Get that screw in next. Alright, once those are in there loose, pretty much everything will line up. And now I'm just going to go around, put all these screws in, and then check the clicker after. So all back together, turn my clicker on, grab my line down here. No problem, works great. Just a little bit hot out here in the garage. We got 105 degrees outside today, but anyway, fix your factory reel, get it straightened out so you have no more problems, or preventive maintenance so you don't have to worry about that problem. Thanks for watching, y'all.